Hey guys, it's Moshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I have created a very nice New Year Eve look. It is basically a New Year subtle look, and this will look so nice, so stunning and so soft on each and every one of you. So girls who are stepping out of the house or who are staying in, as we know that curfew is going on, so we can't step out of the house after 11. So yeah, this will look stunning if you're staying indoors, also if you're having an house party, or if you're going at your friend's place, or if you are just having a small get together with your family and relatives. So this will look super nice, super soft and super stunning. So I just want you guys to just recreate this look and just tag me on Instagram. So you guys don't need the same products. Whatever you guys have, you guys can create with the same products. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So now we'll start with the makeup, and for the makeup we are just going with the primer, and the primer which I am going to use today is Nykaa's Prep Primer. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this much amount of primer and I'll just apply on my nose, on the corner of the nose, on the forehead and on the chin. Yeah, yes, I'll just blend it very nicely. Basically I'm just going to pat the primer so it just settles in and it just blurs out the pores. It helps the foundation to blend very easily and very nicely. I just wanted to say you guys that the primer is really very nice. It has just made my pores very blurry and it has just smoothened the texture of my skin. So I'm just loving this primer a lot. Now we are moving with the foundation. So for the foundation, I'll be taking my go-to foundation, which is Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. So guys, this is a matte foundation, and in winters you guys just need to prep your skin very nicely and then you can go with this foundation. This is super inexpensive foundation, and yeah, it gives you a very nice and super buildable coverage. So guys, I have just took this much amount of foundation. Basically it is just 1 pound. Yes, I just wanted to say you guys that if you are going outdoors or if you are staying indoor, then this will be a great makeup look for you guys, because it is a super light and very natural plus very glowy and dewy makeup look. So if you're going at your friend's place for the New Year's Eve, if you're celebrating with your friends, or if you're celebrating with your parents or relatives, or if you're going out of the town, then this will be a perfect night New Year's Eve look. I am just blending everything with the brush, which is from PAC. It is the 219 brush. It is a concealer brush, but today I am just using as a foundation brush to just blend everything in. So you guys can see I have just applied the foundation, and yes, it gives a very nice super smooth coverage, like super light coverage. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I have just blended the foundation and it is looking super nice. So we are just moving with the concealer, because yeah, at some point I just wanted to highlight and I just wanted to make this look a step ahead. So we are just going with the concealer. So I'm going to conceal with the concealer, and for the concealer I am going to use Elegance Pro Conceal Concealer. This is in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm just going to apply on my under eye area. On the bridge of the nose. So now also I'm blending it with the same brush, and yes, I'm just dabbing it. I'm not swiping or moving. I'm just dabbing the brush. Guys, this is an optional step, so if you don't want to conceal and if you just want to go with the foundation, then also it is good. I just wanted a little bit extra, so I went with the concealer. So whenever I'm going under my eye, I just move my face here and there, like left and right, so the concealer side goes nearby corner and I get that very nice coverage area. So yeah guys, my face is very much concealed and I have just blended the concealer. So now we are moving with the loose powder, and for the loose powder I'll be taking Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade light medium. Is I'll be taking just a little bit of loose powder on the cap, and with a beauty blender I'm just going to set the under eye area. And the rest of the face where I have applied concealer. Be just sharpening my jawline. Now we are moving with the contouring part. To use Faces Canada's Ultime Pro Face Palette. I've spoken about this on my previous video, and this is a super nice and super travel friendly palette. It has a contour shade, a blush shade and a highlight shade, which goes perfect for all Indian skin tones. So yeah, I'm just going to take this bronzing shade and I'll just bronze up my face. Guys, very lightly I'm just bronzing the face. I just wanted a very nice and subtle look. Over my nose area just to give it a more sharper look. Also, I'll be going over my jawline just to give it a nice sharper look, but very lightly. Guys, we are done bronzing up the face, and now we are going with the blush. The blush, I'll be taking Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, the shade Pinch Me Pink. So in the previous video I haven't used this very much, so I wanted to give it a try as I thought that it won't suit my shade. So yeah, just give it a try. And yes, we will just see if this color suits or not. Okay, so I can see that this shade is really very soft and very light. So I think this blush goes perfectly with this look, as I want a very subtle look. And yes, I'll just put a little bit more on the another cheek. Guys, the face makeup is done. I'm just going to apply lipstick and highlighter at the end of this makeup look. So now we are moving with the eye look, and for the eye look we are just going to do our brows. Doing my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, my brow is done, and now we are moving with the eyeshadow. So we are keeping it very minimal and very dramatic also. So I'll be taking this kajal from K Beauty. It is their 24 hours kajal in the shade Spare. I'll be just lining my lash line. That's it. I'm not going to extend it. And now with a flat brush, I'm just going to smudge it. You have to smudge below your crease line, that's it. You don't need to exceed that also. So yeah, I have lightly smudged the kajal. Same way I'll be doing on the another eye, and it is looking super dramatic. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a few eyeshadows, and for that I'm going to take Nykaa's Stun Downer Stunner palette. Yeah guys, and I'm just taking the same flat brush and taking this very nice mauvey brown shade, and I'll be just applying on the eye. Guys, it's okay if you can't blend it with the same brush. You guys just can take the same blending brush which you are using on regular basis, and then you guys can blend it in. Now I'll be taking a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend everything in. Guys, you have to keep your eyeshadow till the area your crease and just blend it over there. Yeah, that's it. We will be doing on the lower lash line. I am just going to apply kajal. And I'm just going to smudge it. And now I'll be taking that very nice mauvey brown shade, and I'll be just going and yes guys, that's done, and you guys can see how nice, pretty and subtle makeup look it is. And yes, I just love this look. If you guys want, you guys can go with the false eyelashes, you guys can apply a wing liner, it's up to you. But I'm going to apply a super nice mascara, and I'll be going with my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. So yes guys, I'm just going generous with this mascara because I love, and it gives a very nice volume and curl to your lash. And you guys can see the difference. I think it is looking super nice and super stunning. Nice curl to your eyelashes, just don't make it poker straight. Same way I'm doing on my another eye. Also I will apply on my lower lash line. So yeah guys, that's it, and I am just super happy with this makeup look. We'll just apply the highlighter and the lipstick, and we'll just complete this look. So guys, for the highlighter we are going to use the same palette from Faces, and we are just going to use this highlighter shade. Dab the excess, because you always need to dab the excess. And yes, we are just going to apply the highlighter on the high points of the face. You guys can see that very nice and subtle glow. You guys can always apply the highlighter how much you want, but I'm just going to keep it this much minimal and super nice. So yes, I'm also applying on the brow bone. Also I'm applying on my forehead, my bridge of the nose, so guys, for my lips I have applied this lipstick. This lipstick is an random lipstick which I got from the normal store. So yeah, this is a very nice mauvey pink brown kind of a shade, and in camera it looks like a very nice mauvey brown shade, and yes, it complements the whole look. And so I'll just finish off the look with a fixing spray, and for the fixing spray I'm going to use Faces Canada's All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. And this is how the packaging and the bottle is, and it is a super nice and hydrating fixing spray. So yes, I'm just going to spritz it all over my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this very nice, very subtle New Year's Eve look. So I am super blown by this look because I haven't thought that it will look so nice and so stunning. And just love with this look. This will be your go-to look if you want to go for any date or any party. Then this will look super nice and super stunning. Just make sure that you apply more highlighter so you look more glowy. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'll see you in the next video guys, and I wish you a very happy new year. See you on the other side of this new year. Love you.